Dreaming of that perfect band 9 in your IELTS exam? It might seem like a huge mountain to climb, but trust me, with the right strategies, you can absolutely get there. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do to ace every single section. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your journey to a band 9. First up, listening. The secret here isn't just hearing, it's predicting. Before the audio even starts, look at the questions and try to guess what kind of information is missing. Is it a name? A number? A place? Also, train your ear to catch keywords and their synonyms. The speaker might say enormous, but the question will use the word huge. And don't forget to practice with different accents: British, Australian, American, so nothing catches you by surprise on test day. Next, let's tackle the reading section. This is all about speed and strategy. You need to master two key skills: skimming to quickly understand the main idea of a passage, and scanning to find specific information like dates or names. Time management is critical. Don't spend too long on one passage. A good rule of thumb is about 20 minutes for each, and of course, a strong vocabulary is your best friend. The more words you know, the faster you'll understand the text. Now for writing, where structure is king. For task 1, you need to be a data detective, accurately describing the key trends in a graph or chart. For task 2, it's about building a strong, logical argument. Use a clear structure for your essays: introduction, body paragraphs with topic sentences, and a solid conclusion. Impress the examiner by using complex sentences and a wide range of academic vocabulary. Don't just say good, say beneficial or advantageous. Finally, let's talk about speaking. The goal is fluency and coherence. Not speaking a million miles an hour. Speak at a natural pace and connect your ideas smoothly. Pronunciation is key. Make sure you're clear and easy to understand. Try to use natural intonation, just like you would in a normal conversation, and never give one-word answers. Always elaborate with details, examples, and personal experiences to show off your language skills. So, to recap: predict in listening, skim and scan in reading, structure in writing, and elaborate in speaking. Getting a band 9 is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes consistent practice and dedication, but you have the tools now. Keep working at it, stay positive, and you will achieve your goal. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your studies.